Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. The last class we are already completed the second problem in the exercise 5.1, and today let us begin with the third problem in the exercise 5.1. Look at this third problem. The squares of which of the following would be odd number. The squares of the which of the following would be the odd number. Look at the sub question 1, 431. They are given the number 431. It is the sub question 1. Already we know that the square of the even number is even and the square of the odd number is odd. And when you are looking the problem number 1, the unit digit of 431 square, the unit digit of 431 square, and the unit digit of 1 square you will get. The unit digit is 1. You will get the answer 1. Since the given number is odd number, given number is odd, and the square of the number is also odd number, is also odd. And coming to the second one, 2826. Looking at the problem number 2, second one, by seeing the given problem 2826, by seeing the unit place we can understand that it is in the unit place you are having the 6, then it is said to be even number. The square of the even number is even. Already we know that the square of the even number is even, and the unit digit of 2826 square, and the unit digit of 6 square, the unit digit of you will get the 36. 6 into 6 you will get the 36. In the unit place you are having the 6, in the 10 place you are having the 33. You should look after the unit place, then you will get the answer 6. 6 is the even number. Since the given number is even, and the square of given number is also even. Coming to the third problem, 7777. By seeing the unit place we can understand that it is the odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are the odd numbers. Which are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are the even numbers. By seeing the 9, we can understand it is the odd number. By seeing the unit place, we can understand that it is the odd number. The unit digit of 7777 square, and the unit digit you get the 9 square, and the unit of you get the 81. You will get the 81. 9 into 9 you get the 81. By seeing the unit place, you can understand that the 1 is the odd number. we will get the answer. 1 is the odd number. Since the given number is odd, since the given number is odd, and the square of the given number is also odd number. Square of the given number is also odd number. The square of the given number is also odd number. Coming to the last one, 28,004. By seeing the 28,004 number, we can understand that the unit place is having the 4 number. 4 is the even number. The unit digit of 22,004 square, and the unit digit is 4 square. You will get the answer. The unit digit is 4 into 4 will get the 16. When you are finding the square of the last digit, you will get the answer for 16. In the 16, unit place you are having the 6, in the 10 place you are having the 1, and 6 is the even number. 6 is the even number. Since the given number is even, since the given number is even, and the square of the number is also even number. The square of the given number is also even number. And let us continue the fourth problem. Look at the fourth problem. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Observe the following pattern, find the missing digits. Look at the first one. 11 square, already know that is 121. 11 into 11, we will get the 121. 11 square will get the 121. As same that is the first one. The second one, 101 square, they got the 10,201. Here in the 101, how many zeros are there? 1 zeros. How many zeros are there? 1 0. 1 should leave the place, and then you will continue 2. Again you should leave the place and continue 1. Continue 1. Here between the 1 and 2, you should add the 1 0. Again between the 2 and 1, you should fill the another 1 0. Then you will get the answer 10,201. As same that in the third one, 1,001 square. In the 1,001 square, already we know that 11 square, you already know the 121. 11 into 11, you will get the 121. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. How many zeros? 2 zeros are there. Between the 1 and 2, you should leave the 2 places. Between 1 and 2, you should leave the 2 places. And again between 2 and 1, you should leave the 2 places, because we are in the 2 zeros. 1, 2, and again 1. 121, because 11 into 11 you will get the 121. Between the 1 and 1, we are having the 2 zeros. You should leave, that's why you should leave the place 1. Between the 1 and 2, you should leave the 2 places to fill the zeros. Again from 2 to 1, you should leave the 2 places, because we are in the 2 zeros. Then you should fill the 2 places. 1, 2. Again from 2 to 1, how many zeros? 2 zeros. 1, 2. Coming to the fourth one. 1 lakh 1 lakh 1 they given the question. Fourth one, look at the fourth question. Already we know that the 11 square you will get the 121. How many zeros are in between the 1 and the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 4 zeros in between the 1 and the 1. From 1 to 2 you should leave the 4 places because we are having the 4 zeros. Look at the third problem. Between the 1 and the 1 we have the 2 zeros. That's why we left the from 1 to 2 we have the 2 places. And same that by saying that this problem or by saying the second problem we should compare the fourth one. From 1 to 1 you are having the 4 zeros. From 1 to 2 you should leave the 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you should have 2. From 2 to 1 you should leave the 4 places because you are having the 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 1. Then from 1 to 2 you should add you should fill the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 2 to 1 you should fill the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you understand the problem. By comparing these two problems, take for example, they are given the 101. They are given the 101. Already we know that the 11 square means 121. 1 to 1. We are having the 1 zeros. We should do the place from 1 to 2. You should do the 1 place. From 2 to 1, you should do the 1 place. After that, you should fill the 1 0 in between the 1 and the 2 and the 2 and the 1. And third problem, 1001. Third problem is the 1001. Already you know that 11 square means 121. In between the 11, 1 and 1 and 1 we have the 2 zeros. That's why we will have the 2 zeros to fill the 2 zeros. Again from 2 to 1 we will have the 2 zeros to fill the zeros. After you will get the after completion of the when you are leaving the place you should add the zeros in between the 1 and 2 and the 2 and the 1. And the fourth one, 1 lakh 1 they given the question. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already we know that the 11 square means 121. From 1 to 2 you should leave the 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from 2 to 1 we should leave the 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. After we should fill the zeros in between the 1 and 2 and the 2 and the 1. Last one, fifth one. There are 6 zeros in between the 1 and the 1. The 1 crore 1, 1 crore 1. Already you know that the 11 square means 121. First you write the 1. How many zeros are in between the 1 and the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 square means 2. 11 square means 2. And how many zeros are in between the 1? From 2 to 1 you should leave the places, 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last you should write the 1. I think I understood the problem. Already we know that 11 square means 121. 11 square means 121. How many zeros are in between the 1 and the 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you should do the places from 1 to 2. 6 places you should do the to fill the zeros. And again from 2 to 1 you should do the 6 places. After leaving the places you should add the you should fill the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from 2 to 1 there are 6 zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we completed the 4th problem. In the next class we will continue the 5th and the 6th problem. Thank you.